Hi student, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all fine. Today our topic is on spinal cord. Spinal cord is originate from our end part of the brain. It's a medulla oblongata. This is brain. It's a midbrain. It's a pons. It's a medulla oblongata is the end part of the brain. Spinal cord is attached with the medulla oblongata. Spinal cord consists on the vertebrae. This is the vertebrae. 31 vertebrae. So from each vertebrae, two nerves is originate. Two spinal nerves is originate. So spinal cord consists on the 31 pairs of the spinal nerves. This is vertebrae. If we cut the spinal cord, suppose this is one vertebrae of the spinal cord. This is the interior side of the spinal cord, and this is the dorsal side of the spinal cord, green in color. So green in color is the dorsal side of the spinal cord, and the white in color is a ventral side of the spinal cord. If we cut, so from ventral side, ventral dorsal root originate, and from the dorsal side, dorsal root is originate. So from each spinal nerve, from each vertebrae, two nerve is originate. One nerve is originate from the dorsal side and one is ventral side. Dorsal nerve root, and this is ventral nerve root. Nerve root. So these two nerves join to form a single spinal nerve. Here like this, one is from dorsal side of the spinal cord, other is a ventral side, and they join to form a spinal nerve. So from each vertebra of the spinal cord consists on the one pair of the spinal nerve. So 31 pairs of the spinal nerve originate from the spinal cord. So we draw the cross section diagram of the spinal cord. Suppose this is our spinal cord. Cross section of the spinal cord. Spinal cord consists on the two parts. One is a gray matter part, other is a white matter part. So gray matter part consists on the gray in color. So gray in color or butterfly shape in color or H in color is a gray matter. And inside the gray matter is a hole is present. The name is hole is spinal rod. We name this spinal rod. Spinal rod consists on the cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid. That's the most important fluid that prevent the damage and that prevent the broken into pieces of the spinal cord. So gray matter, this is gray matter. Gray matter I have discussed in previous video. The area of the spinal cord that consists only cell body of the neuron. So only cell body of the neuron is present in the spinal cord. This area is called gray matter. And the white matter, this is white matter. White matter, the area of the spinal cord that consists on the only axon and myelinated axon. Myelinated axon. Myelin is made up of the fat. Fat is white in color. That's why white matter is, this area is called white matter, because axon, myelinated axon is present here. Axon. And this is cell body. So I have discussed early two sides of the spinal cord. One is a ventral side. Suppose this is ventral side and this is dorsal side, green in color. So one nerve is originate from the dorsal side of the spinal cord, and other nerve is originate from the ventral side of the spinal cord. So this is called dorsal nerve root and this is called ventral nerve root, and both are joined to form a single spinal nerve. This is called spinal nerve, like this here. One is originate from the dorsal side of the spinal cord and other is from the ventral side of the spinal cord. This is joined to form a single spinal nerve. So from each spinal vertebra, two nerve is originate. So 31 pairs of the spinal nerves originate from the spinal cord. So one vertebra consists on the one pair of the spinal nerve. If cell body is present inside the dorsal nerve root, we name this dorsal ganglia, dorsal root ganglia. And we also named this ganglia because this is present outside of the spinal cord and the brain, means outside of the central nervous system. Cell body is present. So this is called ganglia and this present inside the dorsal root of the spinal cord. So we name this dorsal root ganglia. Ganglia is present on the dorsal root of the spinal cord, not ventral root of the spinal cord. MCQs may become in board exam. So function of the spinal cord is it connect the body with the brain. This is the track that connect body with the brain. So body nerves is attached with the spinal cord, and spinal cord transfer these nerve message toward the brain, and so this is the track between the brain and the body. And another function is reflex action. So in next video I have explained what is reflex action arc. Hope you understand it clearly. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Be happy and hard work. Bye.